Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at a phone that's making some serious waves, especially if you're tired of your phone dying halfway through the day. This is the brand new Realme Neo 7 Turbo. Launched recently in China, the Neo 7 Turbo is screaming powerhouse from its spec sheet. We're talking a monster battery, a blazing fast new chipset, and a super bright display. Is this the new flagship killer for those who prioritize performance and endurance? Let's dive into our first impressions and break down what this beast is all about. Alright, let's start with the design. Realme has gone with a pretty sleek look here, and some models even feature this cool semi-transparent back panel. Always a nice touch to see a glimpse of the tech inside. It feels solid in hand, and get this, it boasts an impressive IP66, IP68, and IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. That's some serious peace of mind. Up front, you're greeted by a large 6.8-inch AMOLED display. It's a 1.5K resolution panel, so things look sharp, and it's got a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and gaming feel incredibly fluid. But the headline figure here is the brightness. Realme claims a peak brightness of up to 6500 nits with an 1800 nits high brightness mode. If those numbers hold up in real-world use, outdoor visibility should be absolutely fantastic. It also features 4.6 and 8 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, which is great for reducing eye strain. Now under the hood is where things get really exciting for performance enthusiasts. The Neo 7 Turbo is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400E, a brand new 4nm chipset. This should offer some serious flagship-level performance. It's paired with either 12GB or a whopping 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and you get fast UFS 4.0 storage options from 256GB all the way up to 1TB. Realme has also packed in a substantial 7700 square millimeter vapor chamber cooling system, which they claim will keep thermals in check during those intense gaming sessions. We'll definitely need to see full gaming reviews, but on paper, this phone is built for speed. But perhaps the biggest talking point, literally, is the battery. The Realme Neo 7 Turbo comes with an absolutely massive 7200 mAh battery. That is huge, folks. This should easily power you through a full day of heavy use, and potentially even 2 days for many users. And when you do need to charge up, it supports 100-watt wired fast charging. Realme says you can go from 0 to 50% in about 18 to 19 minutes, and a full charge in just under 50 minutes. That's incredibly fast for such a large battery. Plus, there's bypass charging, which powers the phone directly during gaming to reduce battery heat smart. Okay, let's talk cameras. The Neo 7 Turbo features a dual camera setup on the rear. You get a 50-megapixel main sensor, which is Sony's IMX882, and it comes with optical image stabilization. That's great to see for clearer shots and better low-light performance. Alongside that, there's an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. For selfies, you have a 16-megapixel front camera. Now, while these specs sound perfectly capable for your everyday photos and social media, it feels like the primary focus of the Neo 7 Turbo is more on that performance and battery life rather than being an absolute camera champion. It does shoot 4K video up to 60 FPS though. Software-wise, it's running on Android 15 with Realme UI 6.0 on top, so expect a feature-rich experience. It's also packed with the latest connectivity, including Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. You get an in-display fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers, NFC, and even an IR blaster. Realme is also highlighting some AI features like object removal in photos and text summarization, which could be handy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content, and I'll catch you in the next one.